Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have the DeLonghi Magnifica S Cappuccino. Now this machine was brought here because it had a ground to find error, which means that the machine is not letting water pass through the system and it thinks it's locked. So we pretty much replaced the water pump on this machine, and we also give the machine a tune-up, replacing the infuser. This is the old infuser. Relubricating the transmission, deep clean pretty much all around it, replacing the gasket from the generator as well, descaling the machine, and just a good cleaning in general. And right now we're going to test out the machine. We are in a fine setting. We're using fresh coffee, and we're going to do one standard coffee. Then we're going to raise some water, and then we'll conclude the test. As you can see, the water fell over here. You would like more cream, and you can increase the grind settings over here. Right now we're at 3, so pretty good. Almost 2 ounces. And now hot water. There you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica Cappuccino working once again. Thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.